Need to change your Converge Wi-Fi password, set up a guest network, or configure port forwarding on your Converge router. It all starts with logging into the admin panel. In this guide, I'll guide you step by step how to log in your Converge router. Let's get started. Step 1. Find default login settings. Flip your router or modem and find default login IP address, username, password, and default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker. Step 2. Connect to your Converge network. First, ensure the device you're using, a computer, phone, or tablet, is connected to your Converge router's network either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access the login page via web browser. Open any web browser and access 192.168.1.1 or use login IP address printed on the sticker. You will get Converge login page. Use default login username and password printed on the sticker and press login button. Step 4. Change wireless settings. Once logged in, go to Local Network tab from top menu. Then go to WLAN settings from left side menu. Scroll down page and go to WLAN SSID configuration. Change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz SSID name and password and apply settings. You need to connect all Wi-Fi devices again with new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 5. Change login password. To change Converge login password, go to Management and Diagnostic tab from top menu. Then go to Account Management option from left side menu. Now provide old password that you used to log in. Create new password and confirm new password. And press Apply button. And that's it. Logging into your Converge router or fiber modem gives you full control over your home network settings and security. If this guide got you access to Converge router, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.